ICTQual is offering you Level 6 Diploma in Telecom Engineering, 360 credits, 3 years. Your gateway to mastering the rapidly evolving world of telecommunications, where innovation and connectivity drive global progress. This diploma is meticulously designed to equip you with the knowledge and skills required to excel in the dynamic field of telecommunications. From wireless networks to fiber optics, this course prepares you to design, implement, and maintain cutting-edge telecom systems. This certification is best for jobs, and also this certification is verified by British Council. This course has 36 mandatory units which will be completed in 3 years. Each year you'll study 12 units and earn 120 credits, total in 360 credits by the end of the program. Year 1, Foundation and Core Skills, 120 credits. Year 2, Intermediate Concepts and Applications, 120 credits. Year 3, Advanced Topics and Specialization, 120 credits. This course is ideal for aspiring telecom engineers, IT and network professionals, graduates in related disciplines, career changers, innovators and tech enthusiasts. Route for candidates with no experience. The candidate enrolls in the program at an ICTQual approved training center. Learners will be required to complete and submit assignments based on the course's learning outcomes. These assignments will test the learner's understanding and application of the course material. Route for experienced and competent candidates. The candidate must have at least 6 years of verified experience in telecom engineering or a related field. This experience must be relevant to the learning outcomes of the qualification. The candidate must submit documentation and evidence of their work experience to demonstrate competence in the required areas. This can include job roles, responsibilities, and tasks performed that align with the learning outcomes of the course. All ICTQual qualifications are offering through its approved training centers. For registration, please consult your nearest ICTQual approved center. Visit our website at www.ictquallab.co.uk for more qualifications and information.